Have you ever wondered what it would be like to go on a date with me?
Yeah, I think so. Parang nakaka-curious paano ka makipag-date.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
Hello guys, this is Alvin Richards.
Hola, this is Catherine Bernardo. So,
Yeah, so right now,
we're friends.
Yeah.
We're friends. We're friends.
Yeah, we're friends, and since we started doing the film, and even way before naman, we have maintained that kind of relationship. Of course, with Hello Love Again, the relationship parang got deeper, we get to know each other better. Basically, everything's just light, and we make the most out of our time together whenever we get to do things like this.
So we're like workmates and also we're good friends. Okay.
So, Jack and Poy tayo to see.
Okay.
Let's go. Jack and Poy.
Jack and Poy.
Jack and Poy. Jack and Poy.
Jack and Poy.
Isa pa. Tatigo. Jack and Poy. Yun.
Okay.
Ako una.
Go first.
Okay.
Be honest, did you ever imagine we would ever work together?
No. So dapat hindi ako makuryente. I'm not
Yes.
lying.
Yes.
Yeah. Ah.
Really?
Yeah, feeling ko di na tayo magka-work. Kala ko last na.
After the first part.
Yeah, you?
Hopefully, siguro.
You were hopeful.
Hopeful. Other projects naman or other films.
Me no na.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ouch. Ang sakit na.
Hindi, akala ko lang hindi. Let me explain, okay? Hindi sa ayaw ko. Feeling ko, hindi na kami magkaka-work together kung wala namang part 2.
Yeah.
But it's a good surprise naman, di ba?
Yes.
Explain pa? Okay.
Tama naman.
If you were to rate yourself as a jowa, what would it be? 10 being the highest.
Okay. 7?
7.
7 lang?
Mama naman.
No.
Ibenta mo sarili mo, Tisoy. Sarili mo 9. Explain mo habang, wait lang. Let's wait and then you explain. 7.
7?
Oh,
7.
honest tayo dito talaga.
Yes, kasi parang ako, I really don't know how am I as a partner at this point in my life. So, parang ang hirap din kasing mag-presume how you are eh. Siyempre, iba pa rin pag nandun ka na sa actual situation. So, right now, para hindi rin masyadong overpromised. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to go on a date with me?
Yeah, I think so. Parang nakaka-curious paano ka makipag-date.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Ay, nakuryente ako. Point.
Yung machine yung may problema talaga.
Actually, I have no idea. That's why I'm curious. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya makipag-date. So, I wonder, romantic ba siya? Medyo ano ba siya? Iba-iba kasi yung style ng guys, right? So, go. Answer.
Of course, with dating, of course, yung getting to know stage, simple lang, go to a nice restaurant.
Okay.
Good food pa rin. Yun ang love language na I think is the best love language na pwede kong ma-offer.
So, if you were to date someone, saan mo siya unang dadalan for your first date?
Bahay? House.
Yeah, bahay niya. Pupuntahan mo sa
Bahay
bahay.
niya or bahay ko. Depende.
Oh, bahay. Jeez, okay. Do you date to marry or date to have fun?
At my age right now, married.
Marry.
Married.
Liar. Liar po. Naka-date ka na for fun before?
No, then. No,
Never.
No.
So, pag nag-date ka, date to marry,
I think so, yes.
Yeah?
Yeah. Because I'm old.
you feel old.
I feel old. Do you? Date to marry or date for fun?
I would date you because I see something in you.
Yeah.
And I think you're worth spending my time
Tsaka
with.
baka hindi for fun yung term.
Baka
date to
hindi
get
for
to
fun.
know.
Yeah, date to get to know you. But if it doesn't work, no problem. At least alam ko yung gusto ko. And I think this is the perfect time to know what I want, who I want. So, we'll see. It depends.
Do you think you're a green flag?
Oh, yes.
yeah, that's the confidence. Let's
But
go.
parang ayaw mo mag-agree, Tisoy.
Hindi.
Yes. Ay, okay. Oh my God! Red flag ako!
No, Diyos ko,
Hi, guys.
sabi ko na eh. Parang may problema yung machine today, guys.
What do you think?
Based on how I know Kath right now, it's not really about how you are as a person in terms of the bad side. It's how you make that good in you resonates to other people. And that's how she is to me and to everyone around her.
Ma'am, thank you.
Shut ka muna.
Shut
Baka sumat din ako dun sa akin.
Red flag ba para sa'yo kung maraming naging exes?
No naman.
No. Okay. So, hindi red flag sa'yo?
No.
So, you wouldn't mind dating someone na
Maraming exes. Yeah.
Nakaryente ka?
Nakuryente ako.
Wala kang reaction! So, red flag sa'yo.
Red flag ba? May problema yata
Oo,
itong machine.
sinungaling talaga to.
Yung,
Dati
actually,
pa.
yung machine. No, kasi parang, of course, yung learnings from previous relationships makes you who you are. It doesn't matter kung maraming exes as long as you're whole as a person.
But what if yung isang tao na yon nagkamali sa past?
Basically, hindi ko rin naman malalaman yung sa mga previous relationships.
Ay,
diba?
ayaw mong tanungin?
Pwede naman tanungin. It doesn't matter naman. Pero pag inulit ng inulit yung mga hindi magandang nagawa sa relationship, feeling ko that will not work for me.
Okay. I think it's just right to ask kung ano yung sa past relationship para alam mo lang saan siya nanggaling, kung paano siya ngayon. Parang i-judge kita kung how you present yourself to me now, hindi sa ginawa mo sa ibang tao.
Naniniwala ka ba sa second chances? Yes or no?
Hirap. Hirap naman. No na lang.
No na lang.
Ay, ako na! Sabi ko na eh! You liar!
Pero why did you say
Say.
muna na you don't believe in second chances?
Kasi sobrang hirap ibalik yung tiwala ko. In general, di ba, syempre, we all deserve second chances. We all want to have second chances. Depende kasi sa case-to-case basis kung ano yung nagawa mo, gano'n mo nasaktan yung tao, and kung magbabago ka ba, it's who you give your second chances to.
Not everyone deserves it.
Yeah, not everyone. Compatible kaya tayo?
Yes.
You think we're compatible?
Yes.
Okay. Liar. You liar. Liar po.
No.
Why? Why did you say yes?
Well, basically, I've known Kath naman din for quite some time now. I already know what she wants, how she sees her life. One thing we have in common is we're both good people with a good heart, with good intentions for other people as well. So I think dun kami nagkakasundo, and at the same time, sa values na meron kami sa mga buhay namin. So I think ito talaga yung may problema, yung machine. But yeah, pero sa shot ako, if love were to come in your life right now, would you say hello or goodbye to it?
Hello. Always. Huwag kang makuryente.
Di ba? Di ba? May problema yung ano?
Hindi.
Hello talaga.
Niwala kayo.
I think hello talaga.
Kung may ma-offer sa yung love, whether it's from a boy or your friends, from your family,
Always hello.
always say hello and welcome happiness and love in your life.
Yes.
Yeah, you can never go wrong with that. Thank you so much for joining us. We had fun, and we are here to personally thank you and invite you. Go to
Yes,
start.
thank you so much to everyone who has already watched our film, and to everyone who hasn't watched the film yet. It's still out in cinemas worldwide. Hello, Love Again.
It's still showing in cinemas nationwide, so please make time for the movie. And ngayon pa lang, maraming salamat na.
Well, ako talaga, I'm very grateful for Kath, for her to agree to make the sequel of the film and, to retell the story of Ethan and Joy. Like what I always say, thank you for being you. You know how you are to me and to other people. You're very important to us, and we only want what's best for you.
Yeah, thank you for doing this as well. It's been fun doing the movie, and now nandito tayo sa promo, which is a bit, overwhelming.
Yeah.
But kampante ako because alam ko nandyan ka. I'm proud of you, the person you have become, and the way you're handling things personally and work-wise. You just keep swimming. You got this. We're here for you too. Yeah. Yeah. Shot.
Yeah, shot na.